Hello, good morning. It's May 7? 10 o'clock, around 10 plus. And it's so cold, though it's sunny. So I just want to show. Yesterday we went to Home Depot and Petiti just to look at the plants. And finally I was able to buy the plant that I've been wanting for so long since last year, but I couldn't buy it because it was expensive. But now I saw something affordable and it's still good. So this is the Heartleaf Brunnera. So there, and then it will when it grows, I can divide it. So June planted it yesterday, and also we bought lupin. Look at this beautiful flower. So lupin. So we have three buds pa. One, two, and two, and three. So yan, plant din niya yesterday. This is the tag. Lupin Russell's Brick Red. It's sun to part shade, and it has a dramatic flower spike. Choice for summer bouquets for attracting hummingbirds to the garden. So it grows 3 to 5 feet tall. So yan, isa lang naman binili namin. Siyempre. Tapos sabi nung there's a man when we were in line paying. Tapos sabi niya ang ganda daw ng flower. And I think he said he has one but it was blue. And it grows fast. And it spreads. So sabi niya, nag-spread nga lang daw yun from his neighbor. So, yun lang. So nice. And, looking at meron na yata. I think this is my dahlia na. Meron na siyang tubo. May dahlia, I think. Malapit sa kanya eh. And then, look naman at my tag. Kinakagat na animal. Oh well. So, foxglove. Meron na. Foxglove and it's pink. Siyempre, may butas na naman doon. Laging may butas. Oh well. And I will mulch tomorrow. Oh, later pala. Trying to still go out the garden even if it's very cold. So, parang 50s today. 50s. Na mga butas-butas. And, ganda na ng hosta namin. It's so nice. Hosta. I think this is the Dream Queen. I don't remember. Tapos another butas. And there's another butas. Ay, nako. Nagpa-flower pa rin siya. There. Lamig. Siberian Iris. Yellow. Yung dahlia ko dito, wala pa. Wala pang tubo. Okay. Peony. Dito may dahlia din ako. Wala pa rin tubo. Okay. Para na akong weekly update or sometimes daily pa yata. So, medyo naka-cover na tong aming rose dito. So, hindi siya masyadong lumalaki. This one is yellow. Mas malaki. Mas madami siyang sun. Natutuyo na naman to. I don't know, is it because of the cold? Natuyo siya. It rained yesterday. Red rose. Ganda pa naman yan. I hope it survives. Our hydrangea. Ito na yung hydrangea malaki. This is the other rose. May butas ba dun? Another butas here. Ay. I don't know. Sana naman. What's happening? What's happening to my rose? Sana ma-survive siya. Bigyan ko kaya March. Okay. So, I tried to yung bleeding heart namin. Kumapal na siya finally. And hopefully, it will flower soon. Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Okay. Hosta. Nice eucharis. Colorful. Ito, petit tea. Caramel. So, started with one plant. Tapos, divide ko. So, dumami siya. Oh, lamig. So cold. And my, what do you call that? I forgot. The white and red that I planted. I think Monday. Monday ba yun? Dianthus. White dianthus and the red one. And it's the other rose. My roses. This is the euchra that I transferred also last Monday. So hopefully my roses will stand the test of the temperature. Stand the test of the temperature. And here yesterday, we also bought some small plants. So my husband planted begonias, and I don't know what this is. This is perennial rockfoil something. Rockfoil Turan pink. And it's hardy to -20 degrees. So hopefully, malagi na siyang ganyan. So we don't have to buy anything. Tapos papakapalin na lang. So, dyan sa 2 boxes. And the other box too. Yan. Tigisa sila. Just so happy how the front garden looks like. There. Is may color siya kahit ang aming grass, ang aming lawn is full of weeds. Pero colorful ang just so sad about my rose. Bakit siya wither? Red rose pa naman yun. And then this is the fern. Mukhang okay naman yung transfer ni June. Pero lalaki to. Anyway, ito. Na-shock na siya. Hindi ko na siya supposed to parang ano ba yun? Sasanayin mo siya sa light or sa heat because na-overwinter, but then let's all survive. Ang hirap ng pasok, labas, pasok. Anyway, also this one, this begonia, we overwintered, so to survive, nilagay ko na siya sa labas. And this one, yan, colorful din. Si Rosie. Sister Rosie. Colorful na siya. Itong flag na to lagi nililipad. Ano ba to dapat talaga? Masyado kasing windy. Mamaya ako na ayusin. Si Rosie. Oh, cold. Okay. And then I mulched last 2 days, 2 to 3 days. So, medyo nabawasan yung aming pile, flat pile, pero madami pa rin. So, this is salvia. And nagkakaroon pa rin ng madaming butas-butas. This is the coral peony. And this is the rose that I planted yesterday. Mukhang okay siya. Very nice. And the catmint. Yan. I mulched. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh. Tignan mo naman, dami. This also I mulched the other day. Kahit malamig. Oh, sobrang lamig. This one, the hostas. Daming butas eh. So I wanted to buy yung slug, anti-slug. Pag nagbutas-butas pa ulit, I will buy that one. Ayan. Oops. There. Tapos dito nilagay ni June yung mga natirang mga inalis niyang grass. We made a new bed, garden bed. This is our Montauk Daisy. The rose that I planted. Looking okay. Pero hindi siya nagre-red like this one, like the other two. Green lang siya. Anyway, and this one, the hellebore, finally bloomed. There. Nas red yata ito eh. There. Meron siya isa. Yung iba na sa ilalim. Just one flower. But it's okay. I'm happy with any number of flowers. Okay. And then, nilabas ko na yung aking mga begonia, rose begonia. So, meron na siyang sprouts. It's sprouting. This one too. Ito rin. Also, ito wala pa. Yung binili namin sa Petiti last time. Hopefully, lumabas na din siya. Okay, so ito naman yung mulch ko today para gumanda-ganda itsura. And this one, my tulips and my hyacinths. Anuhin ko na lang sila. Ilipat ko na lang sila sa ground. Kasi hindi rin naman parang may gumalaw dito. This one. May mga anak ng chicks. Mga chicks. Anyway. And this is the hen and chicks. Lipat ko sila. Okay. And my dianthus pala. It has buds. So, sana hindi kainin ni chipmunk. Hi. Okay. Better start working. Oh. Update on our hostas. Ayan. Medyo madami-dami na siyang leaves. So, tigagalawa, I think. There. There, tatlo. Ito, dalawa. Ito, hindi ko alam kung mabubuhay pa to. This is a green, anong tawag dyan? Euchera. So, sana mag-survive siya. Okay, gotta go. So, tapos na ako mag-mulch. Just this portion. Ayan siya. Full sun isa. Yung isa dapat shade. But we'll see kung kaya naman. Mamaya magiging shade yata yan. And then, yan. So, I mulch this portion. Tomorrow na ulit. Lunch muna. Okay. My Asiatic lilies. Blooming, sprouting. Okay. Just wanted to show our yellow bearded iris. Some of them have bloomed and it's so big. Look at this one. It's so big. This is my hand. And I'm so glad it's not flopping yet because there's no rain yet. Ang ganda! So they say this is the beard. I just saw on YouTube. That's the part. That's why it's bearded iris. Okay. And I will walk today. Starting my walk. Dapat every day. And then here is the purple. Dumami na rin sila. Ganda. There's another one there. So 2 plants have bloomed. So hopefully others will follow next year. And my rose, I'm just so sad about my rose. Sana mabuhay pa siya. Let's just wait and see. Okay. My other one. Daming butas pa din. Bleeding heart. Wala pa rin. No buds yet. Hopefully it will bloom this year. So because maybe it's so cold, kaya some of the roses, the leaves have wilted. Okay, start my walk and then do some mulching. So dami pa. Okay, walk muna ako. So I'm walking today, doing my usual route. It's been a long time since I last walked, so konti pa lang hinihingal na ako. And I can see my very round face. Anyway, okay, walk, go. Sunny day today. Nice sun. And it's in the 49 yata. So after this I can mulch para mabawasan ulit yung pile of wood chips sa driveway. I really need to clear that driveway. Okay. So, I'm trying too much again. So, dapat mabawasan na to. Okay. Ayan siya. Okay. We'll see kung gaano kadami ang maaalis ko. Okay.